Hello everyone, this is Anshika Gupta. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are really doing well and thank you so much for all your love and support. So guys, today I am here to tell you about something more about fashion designing. As in our previous video we learnt about how to make a female fashion croquis, fashion figures, flat sketches, everything. Now we gonna make a men's croquis. It means the procedure for making a men's fashion illustration. Always it has been seen there are plenty of sketches of females and women's, but there are very less sketches of men, but they are quite also needed to us. We know that there are less variations in men's figure compared to females one. They have plenty of angles, plenty of garments and all, but men's wear doesn't have that much of angles and variations. It's quite easy also, but we need to practice a lot about man's croquis also because it has several dimensions to work. So guys, let's see how we can make a men's fashion croquis. So guys, let's see what materials we will use. I'm using A4 size paper. We're gonna use eraser, sharpener, a scale and a pencil. You can use any sort of pencil, it might be quite dark. I am using 5B pencils. So guys, first of all what we have to do, we gonna divide this paper from the middle by a single line. So here I am dividing this paper like this. So our paper is divided into equal portions. Now what we have to do, we gonna divide this line into 9 equal portions, means 9 heads, as we have to make 9 head croquis always. So every portion will be of more than 1 inch, like 1/8 inch or 1/9 inch approx. It will be up to 2.9 or 3 centimeters. So I am gonna divide the 9 head into 3 centimeters. So here I just divided this paper into 9 equal heads. Every portion is of 3 centimeters, as you can see this. And now we're gonna number it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Afterwards, it in first lane we're gonna make our head of a men's croquis. So comparison to female figures, the men head is quite more in width. So let's make men's head. It will be quite square in shape. So I'm gonna make it like this, little bit of straight, then down, and this gonna be up. So as you can see, it covers more portion and it is not in form of a circle comparison to female one. So now we're gonna make men's shoulder. So for that what we have to do is that for number 2 we gonna divide this portion into half. Somewhere it is 3 centimeters, so it will be 1.5 centimeters somewhere here. So we're gonna make a straight line, light, very light here. Now quite up to it, little bit up to it, we're gonna make another line like this. And for the shoulder portion, shoulder will be 2.8 inches, means somewhere up to 5.4 centimeters. You can make a croquis into centimeters also according to your ease. So I'm gonna measure 5.4 centimeters, or yeah, we can measure 2.8 inches also. So 5.4 inches gonna somewhere here. Here. So here's the line we drawn of 5.4 centimeter. Then we're gonna join it like a slant shoulder up to quite here. and this length, this will be the neck. Men's neck doesn't cover the very skinny portion, it is quite rectangular or square in shape. So here is our shoulders for men. Now we're gonna move to number 3. We're gonna skip number 2 as it is the chest portion. It is the chest. Now we're gonna move up to number 3. Number 3 is waist. Now for waist, what we have to do is that waist will be 1.5 inches, around 3.8 centimeters. You can take it in centimeters, that is 3.8 centimeters, somewhere here. So we're gonna divide it in equal parts. Like this, and then we're gonna join it like this and like this. So guys, we have just have our torso, and now we're gonna move further. So guys, now we're gonna move to number 4. Number 4 will be our hips. So for hips will be 1.25 inch, means 4.4 centimeters. So we're gonna measure 4.4 centimeter, means 2.2 half somewhere here, and we're gonna put the dot like that. You can also draw a line like this so that you can get the proper proportions. Now we're gonna join them like this and like that. So here it is. Now we will not do anything on number 5. We will go to number 6. Before that, below the hip line, we will just draw a very light line quite below it with a normal distance. That will be our crotch part. And now number 6 will be our knees. So below the number 6 line, we're gonna make 2 circles like this and like this, and now we're gonna join them. So we're gonna join them from here, that's here, and crotch here, then again to the next one here and here. Now below it, we on 7 we're gonna skip number 7, and 8th will be our ankle. So below the 8th line, we're gonna again make 2 small circles compared to the knees one. Then we're gonna join it like straight, this and this, and again this up to this. So now we got our ankles, and afterwards it 9th one is floor. We're gonna make our floor, that is shoes. It will be like this, and like this. So here is our dummy. So guys, after floor, we're gonna again move to up. We're gonna move to number 3 for making our hands. So the third number is not only the waist, it is our elbow also. So for making elbow, on the waist line, have little bit of distance. We're gonna make 2 circles, not very small, not very big either, both quite equal. And now we're gonna join them like this and this, up this also here, and then here. Now we're gonna move to number 4, that is hips, but this is also our wrist. So for making it same as usual, we're gonna make small circles at the left and the right, not very big circles, and now we're gonna join them, 1, and herewards is 2. Now again we gonna join it, 1, and now 2, and below that we're gonna make hands after all, like as I already told you, men's don't have that much of curves, so their hands are also not pointed one. So here are hands of the man croquis. So guys, we are completed with our men's fashion croquis. Now we're gonna have some detailings for your easiness. You can also detail them while you practice, having ears, and for the chest you gonna do like that. You can also use scale to make everything. These are shoulder. First portion is for head, and as I told you, shoulder is 5.4 centimeters, means 2 and 8 inches. Below that is chest, then our elbow, waist, below that is a wrist and hips, 5th number is thighs, and knees, 7th one are calves, ankle, and the floor. So here is your fashion men's croquis, and for further details you can proceed to my next video. So guys, that's all about men's fashion croquis. Hope you like this video, and this will gonna help you out in future really well. So guys, if you have liked this video, then press on thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can stay tuned for my further fashion videos. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram link is in the descriptions, and you can also visit to my previous video for watching the female fashion figures. You can drop a comment right below about your questions, comments and suggestions. Hope you guys to see you soon. Stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.